Today, let's make a very versatile Schezwan chutney. And you can use it in anything, not just noodles or rice. But with this, you can use it in parathas, wraps, sandwiches, even South Indian food that we make in a fusion style, like dosa and idli. You can use it in all of them. To make Schezwan chutney, I have taken Kashmiri Red Chilies here. I've taken approximately 10 to 12 of them and soaked them in hot water for 2 to 3 hours. And today I am using the Kashmiri chilies with seeds. But if you want to remove the seeds, you can take them out first and then soak them. But generally, these are This chili and the mild part on top, we remove that. Then I take these chilies in a mixer jar because we need to grind them. And so that the chilies grind well, I add 2 spoons of the same water in which the chilies were soaked. Now we will grind it until smooth. It's done. It's done. See, the chilies have been ground really well and the color is also so nice. It's a bright red color, so now let's cook the Schezwan chutney. For this, I'll take some oil in a pan. Since we need to store this chutney for a long time, we'll need a bit more oil, approximately 3 tablespoons, and as soon as the oil heats up, we add it in and also add 2 Star Anise. Whenever you make Schezwan sauce, just make sure to always add Star Anise. It has a very nice licorice flavor. Now, there's another aroma that is very good in Chinese sauces and in most Chinese dishes. Here you can see that I've taken a lot of garlic. That's it. I've taken 30 cloves of garlic and half that amount of ginger. Now we have to cook the garlic and ginger until their raw smell goes away. You'll see that the garlic has started turning slightly pink. That means it's cooked. This is the time when I add it. Celery leaves and its stems, and white sesame seeds. Adding celery is totally optional. If you get it, that's good. If you don't, you can skip it too. If you are adding celery leaves, just add a little. Cook them well in oil so that their moisture comes out, because that's important for Schezwan sauce. You can store this in the fridge for at least 6 months, but if there's moisture left, mold can grow on it even in the fridge. And now we'll add white sesame seeds. Make sure to add these. They give a really nice nuttiness to the sauce. And now it's time to add this ground Kashmiri chili. After adding the chili, we don't need to keep the flame on medium. Cook the chili until it's done. It will take approximately 15 minutes. You will see that the chili is cooked and oil has started to separate on the sides. This is the time when I add about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. This will bring tanginess to the chutney. And now let's add the next ingredient. Now I'll add tomato ketchup, and this will go in at the end. Add 3 spoons of soy sauce and mix everything well. And we'll add salt right at the end. We'll add salt at the end because soy sauce and ketchup already have a good amount of salt in them. So, in the end, we'll know how much we need to add. All right, our delicious Schezwan chutney is ready. And now let's make some tasty rice with it and cheesy garlic Schezwan Dosa. To make Schezwan rice, we'll take a little oil or butter in a pan, and as soon as the oil is hot, we'll add some vegetables I have here. Bell peppers, 3 colors of cabbage, sweet corn. You can also use broccoli, cauliflower, or any other vegetable you like. And along with this, we'll add a big spoonful of the Schezwan sauce that we just made. Mix everything together once, and now we'll add the pre-cooked rice. At the end, we'll also add a little salt and black pepper. The Schezwan rice is ready. Let's plate it up. For the dosa, take any dosa batter and spread it well on the pan. Sprinkle a little oil on top of the dosa as well, and now we'll spread the Schezwan chutney we made. We'll spread the chutney nicely on the dosa and grate a little cheese as well, then sprinkle it on top. A little bit of coriander, and this is done. The delicious cheesy garlic Schezwan dosa is ready. So here it is. The super delicious and most versatile Schezwan chutney is ready. We made 2 dishes with it today, but as I said, you can make an endless variety of dishes with it. But just as delicious as this chutney is, if you add it to any dish, it takes that dish to a whole new level.